Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's Jasmy update, we're just going to diagnose a daily time frame because there is a bearish descending triangle that I kind of want to show you guys in possible targets going forward. So going into Jasmy here, we do see that we are in a descending triangle. It's a bearish pattern that's been squeezing the price even lower with 0.027 acting as the last resistance for the bulls. Now it's basically coming down to crunch time and what happens next could set the tone for Jasmy in the long run. So right now, the most likely scenario does lean bearish. I know we've been talking about this the last couple of days, but if 0.027 breaks, we are looking at a drop around 0.025, which is the next key support area. So beyond that, if the selling pressure does continue here, the price can slide further down to 0.0216 as a strong area of support where we possibly might have some key interest in Jasmy itself. That's kind of where I expect some serious buying interest to kind of kick in here for at least a nice recovery or possibly a bounce up. If we are rooting for the bulls here, possible scenarios, if we see an uptick in volume as we've seen a decrease in volume, it could possibly hold the 0.027 range and manage to break above the descending triangle. It's going to rally up a little bit higher if we're able to maintain that. But keep in mind the descending triangle itself would need to act as a supporting zone instead of the resistance zone if we do want to see a strong rally on the upside. The first target here would possibly be the 0.035 in an upside, which does line around the 23% of the Fibonacci. Now, this is very optimistic because we have seen a decrease of the volume. Essentially, we do need to see an increase overall. Now, the big question is, can the bulls be able to do this? If they do, again, we may see a midterm rally towards the 0.05 cents, but most importantly, that 4 cents that we've been talking about, that double bottom chart pattern itself and creating that area of resistance. Now, here's the thing. When we take a look at the RSI, it's roughly around 37%. Again, nearly oversold, but not quite oversold here for Jasmy. This does tell me, again, sellers may be running out of this momentum. They may be burnt out here, but essentially we do want to see this closer to the 30%, possibly high 20s here in order to have a nice short-term bounce. Now, the BACD indicator here does still show some bearish features, and the price here is still stuck below our 20 and 50 moving averages, which will kind of show us immediate resistance level right now. So basically, I do want to be honest here with you guys, and I don't want to be like optimistic saying, oh yeah, we're going to come out to a breakthrough, because the support level, because we're seeing the price coming down and, you know, sellers are basically almost out. But let's kind of keep it real here. I mean, if the 0.027 does hold here and it does spark some volume and some bullish traders out there, then I would expect the price to come up around 0.035 here with a potential climb to that 4 cents resistance. If that momentum does build up, that's the key thing, is if the momentum does build up and we break over 0.027 with conviction of heavy selling pressure or heavy buying pressure. So as for now, I am kind of leaning to the bearish side with a retest of this area as an area of support. And if we don't hold this, we may see a possible breakdown even further. But let me know what you guys think down below for your aspects for Jasmy. I wish they did have more fundamental things to look forward to, more collaborations in the projects, maybe partnerships as well, to kind of spark some interest and overall growth within the company. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.